Today you will learn step by step how you can cancel a bid on eBay. So this works both on a mobile app and also on the desktop website. So the first thing that we need to do once we are on our main homepage of eBay, we want to go to the top left hand corner, click on help and contact, and then from here you will then be redirected over to this page. Now the easiest way to get to this is to go to the eBay help search bar right here, and then you want to search for retract bid. Now, once we do this, as you can see, you will now see an option for retracting a bid. Click on this, and then you will be redirected to this page where you will now be able to click on retract a bid button right here. Now, once you click on this, it will now ask you to log into your account so you can see any bids that you have placed. And then once you have logged in, you will then be able to click on the retract a bid button, and then that bid will then be cancelled. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.